Hello, hello, and welcome to another update video about ADA. Here on the ADA chart, we are currently tracking the triangle pattern still. Okay, so we have a little bit of movement here on the smallest time frame. So I am going to zoom in a minute, and we'll take a look really at the micro or nano structure together in a minute. But for now, let's first start, for anybody who's new on this channel as well, let's first start here with the bigger picture. And yeah, on this time frame, or zoomed out at least, this is the 1 hour chart anyway, but zoomed out, you can see that this is still tracked as A, B, C, D, E triangle pattern, where we can say that currently maybe, and this is a maybe, that D wave might be unfolding. And this is still the preferred scenario because I find it's the ideal pathway for a triangle, that we get a more healthy D wave before an E wave starts. Okay, and there are certain Fibonacci guidelines within Elliott wave triangles, certain Fibonacci levels that we are watching, and based on that, we can say that it is quite probable that the price should reach in wave C of D, because the D wave is an ABC structure. It's a corrective move, basically. I mean, we can debate. We could even say, hey, maybe this is a triangle or something, but B wave triangle, but then it should break out aggressively, which I don't see at this point. So anyway, what I wanted to communicate is that we could be moving higher here in that blue scenario, targeting 88.5 cents to $1.08 in the blue scenario, yes. But that C wave should then actually reach that blue box. And it's considered a C wave, yes, and we are trying to break out to the upside. But the invalidation point for the white microstructure is the last swing low. So the market must hold above that wave 2 low. That's at 69.4 cents. Yeah, this is the swing low that formed actually on Sunday. Yeah, so we have these levels: 38.2 extension to 61.8 extension. As I said, very, very common targets within a triangle. Not high confidence, but yeah, within triangles, that's normally what we are watching. And you can't really rely on them because we're in a larger range, but it's best we've got in a triangle. It's the best we've got. So the 38.2 extension, I usually add the 50% extension level as well. It's just not really a super relevant one, but one that we're watching. And then, yeah, here, the golden ratio. And if the market gets there, then from here, we're going to watch for a pullback in wave E to complete the pattern. That's one pathway. The other one, you know about that, that's the direct breakout version. If we don't see a pullback from there, then it can go up more directly, of course. For now, the direction, I think, is clear. That's what we wanted to see. Market is behaving that way right now, not in a super aggressive way, but it is, what we are watching for, and it's doing that. But in the yellow scenario, we have wave 1, wave 2, A, B. We could start the C wave from here of wave 3. So wave 1 is a 3-wave move in this diagonal. The wave 3 also has to be a 3-wave move. And we could be starting that C wave up now. Then we can still get a 4-5 pattern. So this is what we are tracking currently in the yellow scenario. And if we zoom in a little bit, just wanted to share with you the microstructures as well. What ADA is currently doing is absolutely in line with the forecast. But please note that, forecasts on these smallest time frames, they are very fragile. But the communication has been that we should ideally get a breakout to the upside. This is the wave count I showed you yesterday. It's being followed. We could just be in the process of starting wave 3 of C. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave 3. Then wave 4, wave 5. And that can take us to 88.5 cents. So that's at least what I'm watching. This is valid, as I said, as long as this last low is holding, the Sunday low. What if we break below it? Well, first of all, it would at least reset the B wave. It wouldn't necessarily change the bigger picture, but that would be the first step in confirming that the triangle might be invalidated, at least as it is. So the way I explained it to you is that for now, in the triangle, the thesis is the C wave bottomed here on Tuesday, but the C wave might still be unfolding. Not preferred, but below the red line, I have to assume that 64.5 cents, or that is, 64.4 cents. We break below that level, the 10th of March low, then at least the C wave is still unfolding. Until then, thesis is wave C bottomed, we're in the D wave. It just takes a bit of time here to move higher. But yeah, maybe it's getting started. I see early signals. So that's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. I also invite you to join us on X. The X profile link can be found in the comment section. Make sure that you follow us here. You can let us know your coin requests for the week, for updates here specifically on X. We don't only upload videos on YouTube, but also on X, because we have quite an active community now here as well. So check it out if you don't want to miss out. If you join the community here as well, then just do it. Link is in the description and comment section. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.